And we'll start with talking about 怎么 in today's context. 怎么 can be used in Chinese to ask for a reason or reasons, kind of like why. 怎么还睡? Another example of the use of 怎么 is 你怎么不说话? 说话 is to speak, so this phrase is asking, why don't you speak? Why aren't you saying anything? 还. This pops up a few times in today's dialogue. It has a couple meanings, so let's look at them one by one. 怎么还睡? In this context, 还 is used to create a rhetorical question. It represents, it should be this way, but it's not. Xiaoming thinks Mike should be awake, but clearly he's still asleep. 怎么还睡? The other way we see 还 used in today's dialogue is in this phrase. 他还有时差. He still has jet lag. He is still jet lagged. So 还 in this context represents a state or action that isn't changing. In other words, still. 他还有时差. He still has jet lag. Let's take a look at some examples.
喂，是小明吗？都9点半了，你怎么还不来？
啊，兰兰，对不起，我起晚了。
小明，我都教你好几遍了，你怎么还不会唱啊？
你别着急嘛。
Okay, back to the second part of Xiaoming's first sentence. 很晚了，该起床了。很晚了, it's late. 该起床了, he should get up. The pattern 该 ... le implies the time for something has arrived. It has arrived, so le needs to be present to make the pattern work. 该起床了. The time to get out of bed has arrived, or Mike should get up. 你该睡了. You should go to sleep. It's time for you to sleep. 我该走了. I should leave, or the time for me to leave has arrived. Let's check out some examples.
小明，你该吃药了。
好的，谢谢。老师还没来，该上课了。
是啊，都8点10分了。
让. In today's context, 让 is used like the English word let. 让他多睡一会儿吧. Let him sleep a little bit longer. The pattern looks like this. 让 let plus someone plus do something. So 让他多睡一会儿. Remember our discussion about how adding r to certain things makes them smaller?
兰兰，这道题太难了，我不会做，你会吗？
稍等，让我再想想。
All right, everyone, we're almost done for the day. Now, I have a letter here from Josh in the United States that I want to share with all of you before we go. Could you talk some more about specific Chinese dishes? Well, Josh, actually, if I were to talk about specific Chinese dishes, it would take me a year probably to go through all of them. The way food works in China is depending on the region, there are different kinds of food. So, for example, you have Sichuan cuisine that I think is mostly predominantly very spicy. Then take Guangzhou, for example. Guangzhou cuisine is more mild, tends to be a little sweeter. There's lots of dim sum and little delicacies like that. Then you go to Shanghai. You have Shanghai cuisine, you have Beijing cuisine, you have Hunan cuisine. There are all kinds of cuisines, and they're all very different and very delicious. So if you do get the chance to come to China, you can travel around and eat your way around China. Okay, that's all we have time for today. I hope all of you had fun. 我该走了. I should get going, and you all should too. Now don't forget to go online to our website to review today's materials if you're confused about anything, and keep your letters coming. 大家加油，下次见. See you next time.